the Oplot-M in 2026. Ukraine's evolving Iron Fist. In an era defined by drones, precision strikes, and hybrid warfare, few machines symbolize national resilience like the Oplot-M. Ukraine's main battle tank returns in 2026, faster, smarter, and deadlier than ever. The BM Oplot-M, originally developed by Ukraine's Kharkiv Morozov Design Bureau, has long served as a symbol of post-Soviet engineering and national independence. Since its introduction in the early 2010s, the Oplot-M was designed to combine modern protection, firepower, and mobility for the 21st century battlefield. Weighing around 51 tons, the Oplot-M is equipped with a 125mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing armor-piercing, high-explosive, and guided missiles. Its auto-loader system allows for rapid engagement, while thermal imaging and digital fire control enable night and all-weather combat readiness. What set the Oplot-M apart from legacy Soviet tanks was its modular armor system, advanced countermeasures, and integrated battle management system, bringing Ukrainian armor closer to NATO standards. In the 2026 upgrade, Ukraine introduces improvements critical for modern warfare. A new digital turret system with AI-assisted targeting. Enhanced Active Protection Systems (APS) to intercept incoming projectiles. Upgraded diesel engine with reduced heat signature. Drone integration capability for reconnaissance and fire correction. Reinforced crew survivability modules. These upgrades reflect battlefield lessons learned during the conflict with Russia, where survivability, adaptability, and rapid engagement define victory. On muddy rural terrain, in urban environments, or across forested landscapes, the upgraded Oplot-M remains formidable. With infrared stealth coating, electronic countermeasures, and battlefield networking, it is no longer just a tank. It is a smart war machine. Export versions of the Oplot-M have found homes in countries like Thailand, showcasing the tank's versatility and reliability under different conditions. Now, the 2026 version pushes the platform into a new era of digital warfare. In 2026, the Oplot-M is more than a machine. It is a legacy of national defense forged in adversity. It carries the story of a country that continues to innovate under fire. And as armored warfare evolves, so too does Ukraine's Iron Fist, sharper, smarter, and stronger for the battles to come.